how to measure a property or land area in Google Maps, and you can also do it on your Android or your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is you want to click this layers button at the bottom left of your screen, and then choose more, and on map type you can choose satellite, and then you can hop on your property or your land that you want to measure, and on the corner of the land you want to right click on it, and then choose measure distance, and then click on another corner, click on another corner, and in the end you can click on your starting point, and there you go. At the bottom of your screen there was the distance that measured by Google. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.